Hey guys, Rasheed Philips here, and welcome back to Smoke Sessions. I've teamed up once again with my amazing friends, the Home Depot, Masterbuilt, and Kingsford, to bring you great techniques to help you master your flavor. Guys, today we're going to be focusing on roasting. We're making a beautiful set of lamb chops, and we're going to utilize the rotisserie feature of our Gravity Series smoker. This will allow the lamb to self-baste while getting a kiss of smoke from our Kingsford charcoal. I'm going to coat my lamb with ground mustard, utilizing that as a binder. Then I'm going to apply a generous coating of my lamb seasoning. I'm getting my grill ready by loading in my Kingsford charcoal and then utilizing the app to set the temperature to 425 degrees. Let's get started on our herb crust. We're going to mix all of our ingredients together to create our lamb seasoning. Pro tip, want to make an amazing presentation? Cover the ends of your lamb chops with foil, that way they don't burn or char. To make sure our lamb doesn't fall during the cook, we're going to utilize our meat claws. We're going to cook our lamb for about 25 minutes until we reach our desired internal temperature of 145 degrees. In addition to the kiss of smoke we'll get from our charcoal, we're going to make an amazing lemon butter sauce to baste during the cook. Lightly brush avocado oil on your lamb, then sprinkle on some of the herb crust we made earlier. Let the lamb roast for an additional 3 minutes so that herb crust can really adhere. Let's let our lamb rest for roughly 10 to 15 minutes so that the juices can redistribute before we slice into it. It's time for my favorite part of the cook. I get to see just how well I did. Let's take a bite. So much flavor. That kiss of that Kingsford charcoal is cooked evenly all the way through. Make sure to head on over to Home Depot, grab a Gravity Series 1050 along with a rotisserie kit, a bag of Kingsford charcoal, and I'll see you guys next time.